Well, I wish at this juncture to invite His Excellency, or rather the Member of Parliament for Langata, Felix Oduor Jolas, to just say one word, acknowledge the leadership here, and invite His Excellency.
Thank you so much, Rigiji, karibu sana Langata, and to everyone who's here who's never been to Langata before, karibuni sana, sindio? I want to acknowledge the presence of the leaders we are with here. Mama Elachi, MP Wadagoreti North, just wave to them. Thank you so much. We have Wamurada, the women rep of Muranga County, Kiambu County. Then we have Kagombe there, MP for Gatundu. Sindio? So I just want to say, karibuni sana. Let's have a good run today. And to the Karen Hospital, thank you so much for always being there with everyone. And in my previous life, I was the top MC of this town. So we must have one dance before I sit down. Sindio? Sindio? DJ? Nani ako wapi? MC? Wapi ule MC? Twende kazi.
Okay, get some space, get some space. So it's hands up, shoulders, waist, then you jump, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Jump, 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 weights, hands up, let's go. Jump, jump. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Shoulders, your waist this way. Heads up, shoulders, your waist, jump.
Thank you so much. Let's have a good run. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our Deputy President, Ricky